He's biting my ear.
Come on. There we go. There he is. Hey, buddy.
The Crow communication system has designated me a cashew machine, clearly.
Are you good, little guy? This shit is crazy, bro.
Yo, what the hell? Hi.
This part just flew on my head.
Yeah.
Oh my god! My god, what is this? Yeah! Just don't bite me, please.
Oh, he's